Hi everyone, this is Maple Garments and Tailors. Today we are going to teach you how to make a simple kurti to wear with the jeans or wear with any kind of pajamas. So let's start the video. This is the fabric we have. This is a thick fabric for winter. So I'm gonna measure the fabric first. Let's see. So this is 48 inches, approximately 122 meters. So we are going to make a full length kurti with 1.22 meters. So let's take its length. From both of the sides we will take a 1 inch extra for the seam allowance, and we will mark it here like this. Now we will measure the chest. We will hold it like this from here. Take a measuring tape and put it here from corner to corner like this. And this is 21 inches. We will fold it like this and we will put it here. And we will mark it here like this. Now let's separate the extra fabric. So this is the mark of length. We will mark it here. Now we will cut it from here and separate the extra fabric. We'll use it for the other purpose. So now make a little round mark here like this. And now separate the mark like this and make a shape. So now we will cut it from here with the help of a scissor. So you can see this, the cutting is done. So now we will cut its sleeve. Let me open the sides first. So this fabric we will use to make its sleeves. Like we will fold it like this and we will join it like this with the shirt. Now we will cut them from here. If you guys are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel for more informative and new videos, and please press the bell icon to get the notifications. So we cut the sleeves, and this fabric is extra. This is we will use to make the neck. We will make the neck here and we will use this fabric to make it. So let's start to cut a neck. So for the neck we will take 3.5 inches length and mark it here. And now we will take the 4 inches width now we are going to make a round neck. So make a line like this and make a straight line like this with the help of a ruler, like this. Now from the corner, draw a round circle like this, and the neck is ready to cut. Now from the outer side of this mark, you have to make an 1/2 inches line. Only a 1/2 inches line like this. Make the dots first, then we will draw a line and we will cut it. This is so easy and simple. You can make your own kurtis to wear in winter at home by yourself. So cut it like this. Here you go. So the neck is ready. You can see now we will paste it with the shirt on the wrong side. You can see I pasted it on the wrong side. Now we will take that extra fabric, we will put that under the shirt like this, and we will sew it. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or you are a seamstress or a tailor, you can make your own kurtis at home. This is very easy and simple method. Now we will cut it from inside. This is extra fabric. Yes, now make the little cuts like this. Be careful, don't cut the thread. And don't cut the hemline. And now turn it like this. And sew it from here. This is the outer stitch. I will show you after completing this kurti. This is beautiful, simple and easy going kurti. As you can see, this is ready. We make the necks. Now we will join it from the shoulders, from both sides of the shirt. So we join it, you can see. Now we will attach the sleeves. So here we have a serger, and we are gonna overlock our shirt. This is also very simple. This is a simple and good machine from Brother Company. So here you go. I will show you how it works. They also have a cutter to cut the extra threads and fabrics. So here you can see this is ready, and we overlock this shirt from inside. turn it inside out. And let's check the final look of this kurti. This is very beautiful and simple kurti. You can wear it with jeans or any kind of a trouser. Make your own kurtis at home and enjoy. Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.